Hey guys, so I actually got a package from Glamlite. It's like a makeup brand, kind of an indie makeup brand, and I saw that they launched a really cool collection. It's a Lord of the Rings makeup collection. And so I decided to order a few things from that collection, but not like the whole thing. Just because there was some stuff that I probably wouldn't really use in it personally, but I got like some of the main things, so I'm really excited about that. And I just wanted to show you guys. Normally on this channel, it's going to be like mostly nail stuff, like nail hauls and reviews and like nail art videos and stuff, but I figured that this would be a fun thing to show you guys regardless, so this is what we got. It's so cool. And then you like pull it out. There we go. And it's a lip kit. And I thought this was really cool because of the style of like the lipstick itself. It's really hard to pop out the lipstick. There we go. So yeah, the packaging itself is really cool. Like it's all holographic. I don't know if you can see that shift. It's super cool. Anyways, so here's the lipstick. Just pulls off like that. And this is the color. I'll like swatch it real quick for you. So it's like a nice natural lip color. I like that it's not too much of a nude, but it's also not like a bright red or anything. I like that it's wearable, and it comes with like a little loop, so you could probably hang it if you wanted to, like from a purse or something. And then here's the lip liner. I like that color too. It's a nice like brown. And then here's a lip gloss. I love the shape of these. They're so cool. Let's see if it smells like anything. Has no smell, which is kind of nice. Some people are kind of sensitive to that. So it's a nice, natural, glossy, kind of lightly apricot color. Super cute. I really like the shape of these. They really did a good job. So that was the lip kit that I got. And then I got their highlighter. Oh, it's kind of damaged. That kind of sucks. Because I was planning on kind of displaying the packaging. Whatever. Pull this out. Okay, so it has like a little button. Ooh, that is so pretty. And then I can swatch this as well. Ooh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh. It kind of has like a goldish green like shift. And the packaging is just so cool. There's a picture of Gollum on it. Yeah, that highlighter is so pretty. You could totally use it as like an eyeshadow, of course, if you wanted to. And then I got the palette itself. Oh, it is so cool. It says 20 color palette for face and body. And then you open it up and it looks like this. Here, I'm gonna move the box out of the way so you can just admire this. And then it has this. They did such a good job on the packaging. I'm glad this one didn't come damaged at all, because this is like the main thing I want to display is this box. It's just so pretty. It's cruelty free, which is kind of nice. That's always a plus. And so it has Middle Earth on it. It's like kind of metallic. Then you just open it up. It's with a protective sleeve, which is neat. And so these are the colors. I like that there's a good selection of matte colors, but also shimmery, kind of color shift ones. And then I can swatch these if you, just so you can see. So this is Bilbo. This is the Shire. Rivendell. Arwen. Galadriel. And I'll switch to my other arm. This one's Samwise. Mary. Mary like barely shows up on my skin tone like at all. Pippin. Evenstar. It is kind of nice that they're buildable. Like, it's not too crazy pigmented to where it's like you're gonna get fallout and crazy stuff going on. That one was Gandalf. And then Legolas. Oh, that one's so pretty. Frodo. Ooh. It's like a dark green blue shift. That one's like really pretty. And then One Ring. The Fellowship. Oh, that one's probably my favorite. Honestly, it's so pretty. Lothlorien. That one's really pretty as well. Aragorn. He's probably my favorite. Boromir. Gimli. That one's really pretty too. Nice, like, you know, kind of transition, like crease color. Gollum. And then Sauron, which is just black, which is very fitting. And yeah, so that's all the colors. Show you close-ups. And yeah, they did a good job with providing enough mattes and neutrals, and then like the metallics and shimmers that kind of go with them, so you can create all different kinds of looks and get really creative with it. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.